Hello, Montavilla community. My name is Irina, and I'm here to talk about our next upcoming event. In a couple of weeks, we have the pleasure of Adam Rateliff visiting us from Bernina, and we're going to be learning all about longarm quilting. So if you ever wondered what longarm quilting is, if you love free motion, but you want to do it on a bigger machine with stitch regulation, this is the event for you. So the morning session of this event is all about sit-down, hands-on experience. It's a 3-hour session where you're actually going to be playing with the machine and exploring different free motion styles, different fills, ruler work, couching, and all that, creating beautiful project. Our afternoon session is called Q-matic exploration, and it's all about longarm on the frame and how to make it work. You will learn how to do custom blocks, how to place your design, how to size your design, and how to create border, how to do edge-to-edge stitching, all with help of Q-matic software. Event will be happening in all of our 4 locations on October 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. We go in our usual manner from Gresham to Portland to Lake Oswego to Beaverton. So if you're interested in joining us, please go online on montavillasewing.com to sign up for this event or stop by at the store.